Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. My name's Kevin and today is Friday. Fridays have been really good for me and I'm really excited to take on this one. $9.50, 20 minutes. The only problem, it's Taco Bell. Sometimes they can be a little long, but sometimes they can be super quick. It's 5 o'clock right on the nose, Friday. Hopefully it's not too busy. We can grab it and let's get going. Uber Eats for Natalie. Yes, thank you. Perfect, thank you. Uber Eats for Natalie?
Yes, thank you.
And I got your food as well, so let me give you that first. You got it, perfect. And there you go, enjoy.
You have a great day.
You too, take care. As soon as I dropped off that last order, I got this one, $12.61, 28 minutes. That's gonna bring me up to $22 at the 45-minute mark. Yes, this is gonna be a good night. You wanna know why? Because of Tip Karma. You wanna know what Tip Karma is? Let me tell you, it's something I've been talking about for years. Every time I've ordered Uber Eats, and yesterday was my birthday, I ordered Uber Eats, and I gave a really good tip. Sometimes in the past I've given a good tip. I always tip, always make sure it's at least a good tip. But now I'm giving great tips because when I get a good tip and I go out the next day, I get good tips. But when I give great tips, I put it out in the universe and I get great tips coming back to me. I think Tip Karma is going to definitely pay off for me, especially when I'm getting orders like this. It should be a $100 night, not because it's just Friday, because of Tip Karma. Comment down below, do you think that's actually a thing? Have you actually noticed when you've given a great tip, the next time you Uber, you get great tips? Let me know your thoughts and I'm going to go grab this one. Uber Eats for Tasha. E9CFD. Sure. Great, thank you. You too. Hi, I'm picking up for Uber Eats, FF26B.
FF.
For Amber. Perfect, just that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Message from Tasha S. Sorry for the delay.
Don't you just hate when you go to an apartment, you buzz the apartment number, they're actually corresponding with you through text, but then the number goes to voicemail. They're not picking up. Eventually got a hold of her. She was able to let me in with the buzz code. Great, easy drop off, easy money. You want to know what else is easy money? Trip Karma is paying off because take a look at this one. $22.13, 43 minutes. Absolutely yes, I'll take that double. Let's rock and roll. Hi, Uber Eats. It is 99FCC. Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate that. You too. Hi, I'm picking up for Uber Eats, 6B853.
Can you just get the name?
Of course.
Can I have a roti, please?
Wonderful. Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Oh, no problem. You too. Hi there. There's your food. Thank you. You got it? Perfect. Thank you. This night is continuing to roll. Take a look at this one. $8.07, 11 minutes. If this is ready, it could be done in under 5. And the best part, when I'm done this, I'm going to be at the 2-hour mark and being over $50. Go me. Let's keep the night rolling. Yeah, 518D8, Molly?
Molly? Yes, it's for Molly.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Yeah, I just got a map, like a hair mattress, and I did not have one.
Like I said, that one took about 5 minutes. It was ready, love it, except for the fact that I had to go to a very sketchy motel. I didn't feel safe. There was guys standing around. I'm glad I could just drop that off and got the heck out of there. And I left to go get this one, $7 for 13 minutes. This should be another quick one. It's Subway. Hopefully they're on it. I can get this done in under 10 and continue to make some moolah. Oh yeah. Please like this video if you're enjoying the ride along, and please subscribe. I'm hoping to hit 500 subs by the end of the year. Thank you in advance. Picking up for Uber Eats for Nadusa. AE9BC. Just the sub? Yes, thank you. I have some great news. Remember that bubble tea order that I had to go to the apartment and they didn't answer their buzz code? Well, she must have felt really bad because I got an additional $5.43. Yes, I'll take it. Thank you. It was only 2 bubble teas and there's like a $9 tip in there. Fantastic. Absolutely love it. You know what else I love? An offer like this. $8.16 for 19 minutes. Funny thing is, this is probably all base pay. Want to know why? I've had a Trip Radar a couple times offering $3, $3.42. Then I got the offer almost right away. But it's worth my time. I'm going to take it. Let's keep the night rolling and hopefully more tips come in.
Just give me like 1 minute.
Uber Eats for Amir.
What?
Amir.
Amir?
Extra large pizza. Perfect, thank you. Yeah, appreciate it. You too.
Thank you.
Oh,
Hi.
hi. Do you have a PIN number for me?
Oh,
Yeah, it worked.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Let me get you pizza for you. Yeah, of course. There you go.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Have a good night.
You too.
Thanks, Dave.
So I've reached the 3-hour mark and I was thinking maybe I should just call it a night. But Uber reads my mind and decides to throw me an easy one. $8.07, 13 minutes. If it's ready, it's done well under 10. Let's go do it. Hi, Uber Eats for Mackenzie. This one here? Thank you. Yeah. I deliver for Uber Eats.
Okay.
So I just have it rolling the whole time and
Is it for protection or
yeah,
just...
yeah, safety.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was just thinking that myself, like, that's a great thing, because if you're coming up to somebody and automatic, like, it's like it keeps the honest people honest, you know what
Yeah,
I mean?
no, for sure. And then there's nothing that anyone can say. But most of the, believe it or not, like every house I went to today, I think only one had a light on. Like, it's just so dark. And sometimes they say go to the back of the house, and it's like, well.
Yeah, well, you know, if the house is split or something, now you got to go down a little
Exactly.
path in the back to the thing.
Exactly, right?
Thank you very much.
Uber Eats for David?
For David?
Yes. Great, thank you.
There you go.
Appreciate it.
Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. The Friday Night Frenzy is continuing to roll. Look at this one, $7.26, 2.6 kilometers, and it's only 13 minutes. If this is ready, it's done under 10. Let's keep it going. I'm picking up EE106 for Uber.
Okay, just 1 second.
Yep, thank you. Awesome, thank you, appreciate it. Sorry. Hi, Uber Eats from Madison. Thank you. Enjoy.
Number?
BCF14.
There I go.
Thank you. So that's going to bring my night to a close. My grand total, 104.86, just over 4 hours. Yes, I'll take it. You know what that proves? That proves tip karma is a thing. It is real. If you are a driver and you decide to order Uber Eats, I highly recommend take care of your fellow drivers and it will come back to you. If you are a customer, take care of your drivers, take care of us, and we'll take care of you, and something great's gonna happen. I just know it. I feel it. Something great will happen to you. Thank you so much for watching, and we're gonna catch you in the next video.